Alright, we are now trying to find the area of a trapezoid. Now over here we can see our formula. It's the area equals, and it's a little complicated, but B1 plus B2 times H, and then everything is divided by 2. So let's start by identifying each piece of a trapezoid. B1 and B2, those stand for bases. We call them base 1 and base 2. Because a trapezoid has two bases, this would be base 1 and base 2 is on the top. They're different sizes, unlike a normal rectangle, which are the same size. So we call them base 1 and base 2. And it doesn't really matter which one you call which, so we'll call this one base 1 and this one base 2. So let's start filling out our formula. We have the area equals, and then we just said base 1 is 7, base 2 is 5, and let's keep that in parentheses just like the formula. Alright, then we go look at our height, and just like a triangle, the height will usually be listed with these dotted lines over here. That signifies how high it is, and there we have 3. So let's fill that in, 3. So we have base 1 plus base 2, 7 plus 5. The parentheses means multiply, so once we do what's inside the parentheses, we're going to multiply times 3. And then at the very end, we're going to divide everything by 2. So let's go step by step through this process. First, we're going to do the inside the parentheses as first. We follow our normal PEMDAS procedures, which would be parentheses first. So 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, and next we still have our 3. So all I did was do what's inside the parentheses, keep the parentheses there, 3, and then we divide it all by 2. Well, 12 parentheses 3 is the same as saying 12 times 3. So those are the same thing. So once we do 12 times 3, we get 36 divided by 2. And once you do 36 divided by 2, you'll come up with your final answer of 18. And we always want to keep our units, and we go back to our units, which is right over here, meters. And we know that for area, our unit will be squared. So our answer will be 18 meters squared.